What if the content is too large for an HTML element? In that case, we can use CSS for controlling the overflowing behavior and for styling the scroll bars. Let's jump straight into the code and learn how. I have created an HTML page for you, which has a single box containing a text and an image. As you can see, the content overflows the boundaries of the container. By setting the overflow property to auto, scroll bars will be displayed if the content is out of bounds. Check out the browser. We have to scroll horizontally to see all the content. But what if we just want the overflowing content to be hidden? No problem, we can just set overflow to hidden and the content will be cut off. And setting overflow to scroll will give us always visible scroll bars, even if the content fits the container. Let's set overflow back to auto again and increase the width of the image to 600 pixels. Now we have a horizontal scroll bar as well, because the image is wider than the container. To control only the horizontal overflow, we have to use the overflow-x property. Let's set it to hidden. Now, the horizontal scroll bar has disappeared. And to do the same thing with the vertical scroll bar, we have to set overflow-y to hidden. Check out the browser. No vertical scroll bar anymore. Next, let's make the scroll bars more beautiful. By using the WebKit scrollbar selector, we can style the scroll bar. Here we have set its width to 10 pixels. Let's customize the track of the scrollbar next. The WebKit scrollbar track selector can do that. We want to make the background gray. Have a look at the result. The scrollbar has a gray background now, but there is still no thumb, which shows us how much we have scrolled. WebKit scrollbar thumb can be used for that. Let's give it a purple background. Now we got a fully functional scrollbar, a purple thumb on a gray background. Let's change it to black, because now we want to make it purple only when we hover over it with the mouse. We create another WebKit scrollbar thumb selector, but this time followed by colon, hover. Now the black color turns purple as soon as we touch the thumb with our mouse. Okay, we have reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it and learned a lot. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to not miss any content about learning to code. Have a great day and happy learning!